Hello children, this is your principal from your school. Congratulations that you are going to complete this academic session, and the session will end with the examination as well as giving you promotions to the next class. Now, as we are holding offline examination, that is regular pen and paper test, you will have to take a bit of load, but never mind, do not worry, we are your best friends. Just keep on practicing a little bit. What I would ask you to do is, every day you write one page, whatever it is, write from your own mind, but write one page, then you will get the practice again. And don't worry, we are here to help you out. Thank you, all the best.
So we are appearing in offline examination after a long gap. Don't worry, there is nothing to worry, just remember your old days and appear in the examination. Be happy, don't worry, nothing to worry about. Okay students, thank you.
Hello dear students, soon you are going to have your annual examination. Be very relaxed, focus on what is needed to be prepared. You have your syllabus, you have your portion. Just see that you are well prepared, but do not be overburdened. Plan everything and have a routine. Follow that routine and you will do very well for yourself. Write your answers very neatly and have confidence in yourself. You will do well. Bye. Good luck.
कोई टेंशन लेना नहीं है, जैसे पहले आप एग्जाम देते थे, ठीक है, एक साल भूल जरूर गए हैं, लेकिन टेंशन लेना नहीं है, ठीक है, बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
Hello dear students, good afternoon to all of you, and the present time is for your annual examination. So you should prepare your examination with a peaceful and laborious manner. And now I hope that all of you will prepare your annual examination, and this time, this is your valuable time, and now I am giving you best of luck to all of you for the annual examination. Thank you.
Good morning dear children. I know you all are in pressure. Just leave the pressure away, shut it away and be ready for the examination. We all are here to help you out. We are not going to help you in answers. Take my word. Just keep writing that what I have suggested in the classroom, that is going to help you a lot. Pattern is all the same that you have been facing in the previous exams, and all the best my dear children. Keep on practicing writing. I know that you all have memorized the question answers. That is not an issue. Issue is of writing. So just have a broad smile on your face, come with all positivity and you are going to win.
स्टूडेंट बच्चों, ऐसे तो आप जो बच्चे क्लास में आए हैं उनको बता दिया गया है कि कैसे आप प्रिपेयर करोगे, कैसे तैयारी करोगे संस्कृत की. इसके अलावा सबसे ज़्यादा आपको जो सिलेबस दिया गया है, 4 लेसन है, लेसन का प्रैक्टिस करना है. इसके अलावा व्याकरण पर ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है. जो व्याकरण आपको बताया गया है, प्रत्यय, धातु रूप और शब्द रूप भी आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे, और ध्यान से करना और लिखने का प्रैक्टिस करना है, ताकि लिखने में आप अशुद्धि ना करो. शुद्ध आपको लिखना है, और इसलिए व्याकरण का प्रैक्टिस करो और ध्यान दो अपने पे, और रोज याद करो शब्द रूप, धातु रूप, और इस तरह अच्छे से आप प्रैक्टिस करो और अच्छे से एग्जाम दो. बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर यू.
Be prepared for exam. Your exam is knocking the door. So work hard, keep learning and try to do best in your exam. Keep learning.
Hi student, सभी बच्चे ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे. जो बच्चों ने कक्षा की है उन्हें तो समझा दिया गया है. जो ऑनलाइन भी पढ़ते रहे हैं वे बच्चे भी अपने पाठ्यक्रम के अनुसार सभी पाठों का पुनरावृत्ति करेंगे, और लेख, पत्र लेखन ये सब पर भी थे, क्योंकि सब कुछ ही पढ़ा दिया गया है. अब केवल तुम लोग वर्तनी की शुद्धता को समझते हुए अच्छे अक्षरों में लिखना और अच्छे मार्क्स लाओ. यही मेरी शुभकामना है.
For math examination especially, and I wish that the rest of the examination you will write very comfortably. You labor hard, especially in math and science. The topic which have been given, you do a lot of labor in that topic. Don't go beyond the syllabus, and hope that you will come with the flying colors in the examination. Thank you.
Best of luck, children, for coming annual examination.
Best of luck, children. I hope you will perform best in the coming annual examination.
All the best, dear children. Your examination is very near, and be alert and read confidently. Also draw the pictures in the drawing so that you will secure the higher marks. Thank you. Again, all the best.
We all are waiting for your offline exam. I hope all of you have done well. My all good wishes is with you all. Give your best, dear. Thank you.
चलो सभी बच्चों का वार्षिक एग्जाम में अच्छे से स्वागत है, अच्छे से आओ, एग्जाम दो। धन्यवाद।
बच्चों, परीक्षा की शुभकामनाएं। बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
Dear students, you have done extremely well throughout the year. We have taught you and tried to enrich your knowledge. Best of luck for the final examination.
Thank you, students. Best of luck for your annual examination.
Hello dear students, after the long gap you are going to write your examination, annual examination, almost after 1 year. PT1, PT2, half yearly, PT3 and PT4 all were online. But this time you are going to write offline exam. I know you are stressed, but stay focused. It's not a very big deal. Once you start writing, it will start coming in your mind. All the best and stay confident.